Dear ZeeLancer, in today's tutorial, we will learn how to create a mega project to manage multiple websites or stores from a single domain. Let's proceed. Click on Login, enter your username and password, and press the Login button. Once we are inside the dashboard, you can see multiple options. To create a mega project, first you need to create one welcome website for redirection to multiple sites. To create a mega project, you can either go to Manage Digital Space and change any of your pre-booked slot themes to Welcome Site theme, or you can click on the Create Website or Store button. You will be directed to the next page where thousands of slots are available for booking. Choose the slot you want to reserve and click on it, then select the suitable package as multiple options are available from 1 month to 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. Select the suitable package and click on the Book Now button. If your account balance is sufficient, your slot will be reserved. Click on Manage Digital Space. In the Manage Digital Space section, you can see your newly booked slot as well as other slots where we have already created independent stores or websites that we need to link in our mega project. To create these independent stores or your shop sub-stores with each a specific product category, watch a separate tutorial presented on our channel. But right now, because we are going to create the mega project, we need to activate our newly booked slot by clicking on the Activate Slot Step 1 button and select the currency of your choice. Remember, this currency will not apply to your linked site or mini store as it is only related to the welcome site. Select the currency carefully. Suppose we select USD. Once the currency is chosen, click to select it, then close it and proceed to the next step. Click on Activate Slot Step 2 button to enter your brand name. For example, we enter Albarakat KSA. In order to generate your brand subdomain, the system will show a subdomain preview. Click on the Verify button, and if the subdomain is not conflicting with existing brands or businesses, you will be directed to the next step where you can select the theme of your website from available themes on the ZeeLance platform. For a mega project, you must select Welcome Site as the theme for your basic and first website. Once done, enter your brand name, CR number, NTN number, your business address, business phone, business email, and your business custom website that you are going to use for your mega project. You must have one before starting the process. Enter your business description as your business introduction and business-related keywords to rank your business at the top in search results. Once all is done, click on Activate Slot with New Detail. Once done, all the website editor tools will be unlocked for the respective slot. You can click on the Preview button to view the pre-built dummy welcome website for redirecting to your different stores or websites. Remember, before proceeding further in Manage My Digital Space, click on the Custom Domain button of your newly activated slot of Welcome Site theme and you will be redirected to the Domain Management interface. In the Input field, enter your brand's custom domain and click Add Domain. The system will generate DNS records for verification. To verify your domain ownership, you need to update 2 DNS records in your domain provider's settings. The first record is a TXT record. The second record is an A record. Open your domain provider's platform, such as GoDaddy, NameCheap, or any other registrar where you purchased your domain. Locate your domain and open DNS Management. Click Add New Record, select TXT as the type, and enter @ in the name field. Now copy the TXT record from the ZeeLance platform and paste it into the value field. Set a custom TTL. The lower the TTL, the quicker the verification will complete, then click Save. Next, copy the A record from the ZeeLance platform, and if an existing A record is already present in your domain's DNS, update it with the new value. If not, add a new A record, paste the copied value into the value field, check the TTL, and save the record. Once both records are updated, wait at least 30 minutes for DNS propagation across the globe. After 30 minutes, return to the ZeeLance platform and click Verify All Records. If everything matches, the system will automatically begin the domain verification process. During this process, ZeeLance will verify your domain ownership, check SSL compatibility, issue a free SSL certificate to secure your site, integrate your domain with your store or website, and redirect traffic to your custom domain. Finally, the system will run a full test and submit the setup for review by the ZeeLance team. This review may take 30 minutes to 1 hour. Once approved, your store or website will be live and accessible worldwide on any device using your custom domain, secured with free SSL and fully branded under your name. Once your domain is verified and ready to use, you can proceed with updating welcome site graphics and content. Go to Manage Digital Space, find that slot, and click on the Website Editor button. Once inside the website editor, scroll down to the end of this editor to the Mini Site Configuration section. Here you can toggle extra mini sites off. In this demo case, we want to use 3 websites or stores linked so we can keep the first 3 active and turn all other mini site toggles off. Once done, refresh your welcome site page to view the effect. It's all done. You can update any graphics or content presented on your website. Go to Website Editor again and click on Click to Upload a Monogram. An instruction pop-up will open. Click on Upload, select your business main logo from your device, adjust to crop it, and click the Upload button. Once it's uploaded successfully, you can refresh your website to view your newly uploaded monogram. Once done, now let's go back and update each mini site logo as per the same sequence we want to link later. Here in the website editor, find Minisite 1 logo, click on it, select the file from your device, and upload it. Once done, click on the second Minisite logo and update it in the same way. And also do the same for the third one. Once all done, in order to set redirect URL and Minisite title/name, scroll up and click on Update Website Content. Here, you can set the color theme of your welcome site, as well as all content and the WhatsApp help icon. Scroll down to find Minisite 1. You can go back to Manage Digital Space, click on the preview button of the site you want to connect to your Minisite 1. Copy its URL, and paste this copied URL into the Minisite 1 URL section. Once done, repeat the same process for Minisite 2, and also repeat the same for Minisite 3. Remember, copying the shortest URL by clicking on the slot button directly will not work in this case, and most importantly, as you are using the verified custom domain albarakatksa.com, you can replace ZeeLance.net with albarakatksa.com in each link to make your whole mega project fully branded. You can also change the mini site name to another brand name or your shop product subcategory. Once done, click on the Save button. Once saved, go to your welcome site, refresh it, and click on the icon where you linked the store or mini site. It's all done. You can connect up to 20 stores or websites via your welcome site connector functionality. Each store will have its own separate ERP center with all business analytics, orders, inventory, etc. Each store will work independently as well as a part of your mega project. You can connect a multi-vendor platform through a single domain.